Have you ever wondered what happens to your data when you use ChatGPT? With technology advancing rapidly, our personal data is increasingly vulnerable. In this video, we'll dive into how AI and blockchain, two of the most powerful technologies today, could shape the future of data privacy. From decentralized identity systems to privacy-preserving AI, you'll see how these tools might be the answer to keeping your data safe. Stick around to learn how you can take back control in a digital world that's constantly watching. Our personal data is everywhere, stored by the companies we shop from, the social media we use, and even the apps tracking our every step. The more we rely on AI-driven technologies, the more data we hand over. But there's a dark side to this. As more data goes into centralized systems controlled by big tech, the risk of privacy breaches grows. Take, for example, the infamous Equifax data breach of 2017. Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies in the US, had its systems compromised, exposing sensitive personal information, including social security numbers, dates of birth, and addresses, affecting 143 million people. The breach went undetected for 2 months, and Equifax delayed reporting it to the public for another month. The scale of this attack, believed to have been orchestrated by state-sponsored hackers, had severe consequences, including credit fraud and identity theft for millions of Americans. And it's not just Equifax. In 2013, Yahoo suffered one of the largest data breaches in history, affecting over 3 billion accounts. Hackers gained access to users' names, email addresses, phone numbers, dates of birth, and even hashed passwords. It's believed that this breach was also state-sponsored, and the fallout raised significant concerns about the vulnerabilities in major online platforms and the lasting impact of compromised data. These breaches serve as reminders that personal data can be just as vulnerable as any other digital asset. The reality is that centralized storage of sensitive information, controlled by big tech companies, creates significant risks for individuals everywhere. So, if even major corporations struggle to protect our data, what's the alternative? Enter blockchain, a technology designed to give power back to the people. When it comes to protecting personal data, blockchain is often seen as a powerful solution, but it's not just for cryptocurrency. Blockchain operates on the idea of decentralization, which means that instead of storing data in one central place, it's spread across a secure network of independent nodes. This setup removes the need for a single point of control or storage, making it much harder for any single hacker or organization to access all the data at once. Imagine you could store your personal information in a way that only you can control. This is where the concept of a decentralized or self-sovereign identity system comes in. With self-sovereign identity, individuals get to decide exactly what data they want to share and with whom. It's like holding the key to your own vault, only allowing certain people to view specific information and having the option to take that access away at any time. But blockchain isn't just secure, it's also immutable. Once data is written onto a blockchain, it can't be changed or deleted without the entire network knowing. This immutability provides an added layer of security that's missing from most traditional systems. For example, if a company tries to alter or misuse someone's personal data, there would be a visible record of that activity, something nearly impossible to achieve with traditional databases. Blockchain also allows for enhanced privacy through cryptographic techniques like zero-knowledge proofs. These techniques enable verification of information, like confirming someone's age or identity, without exposing any additional data. It's a game changer because it lets people confirm necessary details about themselves without giving away more than they need to. Altogether, blockchain's decentralized structure, combined with self-sovereign identity and cryptographic tools, provides a new level of security and privacy control. Instead of trusting third parties with sensitive information, people can finally hold that power in their own hands. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit subscribe to stay updated on the future of tech and privacy. So, we know that blockchain can protect our data, but when you combine it with AI, the possibilities really start to take off. AI has this incredible ability to recognize patterns, detect strange activity, and even flag potential security risks in real time. But here's the challenge. AI usually needs to analyze a lot of data to be effective, which can threaten our privacy. Now imagine a future where AI can analyze encrypted data directly on a blockchain without ever exposing any of your private information. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's becoming possible through techniques like homomorphic encryption, which allows AI to work with encrypted data without needing to decrypt it first. This means companies could gain insights without ever actually seeing your personal information. Let's break down a couple of real examples of how AI and blockchain could work hand in hand. Privacy-preserving analysis. Using advanced encryption, AI can study your data without revealing any of it. So, your privacy is protected, and companies still get the information they need to improve services. Fraud detection on blockchain. AI can spot unusual activity, like potential fraud, while blockchain logs each event in a way that can't be altered. This creates a record that's both secure and transparent, keeping companies accountable and your data safe. Together, AI and blockchain open up new ways to secure data without sacrificing the privacy we so often lose in today's digital landscape. What does combining AI and blockchain really mean for everyone? One major benefit is data sovereignty. With blockchain, people could finally have real control over their personal data, choosing exactly who gets to see it, and even being able to revoke that access if they want. It gives individuals the final say on their own information, rather than it being held by big tech. Another advantage is trust. Blockchain's transparency means that every interaction with data is recorded in a way that can be verified. For once, people can know their information isn't being mishandled behind closed doors. In a world where trust in technology is constantly being challenged, this AI and blockchain combination could restore that trust. And security is a key factor too. Blockchain's decentralized structure makes it much harder for hackers to target individual users. Personal data doesn't sit in one massive database that's vulnerable to attacks. It's spread across a secure network, making it far safer from breaches. With AI's ability to analyze data and blockchain's robust security, the information people rely on every day could finally stay both secure and private. If this vision of a secure digital future resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the intersection of tech and privacy. While the potential of combining AI and blockchain for data privacy is promising, it's not without some serious challenges. One of the biggest issues is scalability. Blockchain networks, by design, distribute data across multiple nodes for security. But as the volume of data grows, especially with data-heavy applications like AI, the network can get bogged down. This means slower transaction speeds and higher costs, which aren't practical for large-scale use just yet. Another challenge is data accessibility. AI systems often need vast amounts of data to be effective, especially for tasks like pattern recognition and anomaly detection. But when you prioritize privacy and limit data access, it can restrict AI's ability to perform at its best. It's a balancing act between protecting privacy and providing AI with enough data to be useful. The question becomes, how can we maintain strict privacy while still giving AI the data it needs to function effectively? Then there's the issue of regulation. Decentralized technologies like blockchain don't always fit neatly into existing legal frameworks, which were often designed with centralized systems in mind. For example, regulations like GDPR give individuals the right to be forgotten, allowing people to delete their personal data. But with blockchain, which is designed to be immutable, deleting data is complicated. This clash between privacy laws and the permanent nature of blockchain creates legal challenges that still need to be addressed. And beyond technical and legal hurdles, there's also the matter of public understanding and trust. Many people still aren't familiar with blockchain or how it works, which can lead to skepticism or reluctance to adopt it for personal data security. Educating the public on these technologies and building trust will be essential to their widespread adoption. Overcoming these challenges won't be easy, but the potential benefits make the journey worth it. With continued innovation, we might soon see AI and blockchain working together seamlessly to protect data privacy while meeting the demands of the digital age. So, what could a future powered by AI and blockchain really look like? Imagine an internet where data isn't held by giant corporations or vulnerable to government surveillance. Instead, data would be stored across decentralized networks, meaning it's controlled by individuals rather than a single entity. This vision isn't just about convenience. It's about achieving freedom and privacy in a digital world that's constantly tracking personal information. With a decentralized internet, individuals would have the power to manage their own digital identities. Blockchain's transparency would allow people to see exactly where their data goes and how it's used, adding a layer of accountability that's currently missing. And with AI supporting this infrastructure, we'd have real-time protection from data misuse. For example, AI could analyze encrypted data to detect threats or provide secure recommendations, all while keeping personal information hidden from prying eyes. This approach would also help to address some of the biggest challenges in our current digital world, like identity theft and data manipulation. Blockchain could verify our identities in a way that can't be forged, while AI would work in the background, making sure no unauthorized access goes unnoticed. And this future wouldn't just be limited to individuals. Businesses, healthcare, finance, and countless other industries could adopt these technologies to create safer, more transparent systems for everyone. The potential here is truly transformative. With AI and blockchain, we're not just looking at better data security, we're looking at a new era where privacy, transparency, and personal control over data are at the forefront of the digital experience. As we move into a new era, it's clear that AI and blockchain will play an essential role in redefining data privacy. These technologies are paving the way for a world where individuals can finally take control over their personal information and rebuild trust in the digital systems we rely on every day. If you're curious to explore even more ways AI and crypto are reshaping our future, be sure to check out our video on the top AI crypto projects right now. And don't forget to subscribe to stay informed on the latest tech developments that could impact your privacy and security.